Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to Evergreen Speedway with Zach. It was very not planned at all. Someone came and dropped off wheels for him. He figured out tires to buy and he really wanted to slide his car to this track since they're having like an open and they're having like a grassroots slash like pro-am event. I think it's like the third pro-am event, and also our friend Dylan has some friends that are going to be competing in pro-am, so it should be pretty fun. But we're going to drive his car there actually, which is really cool because most of the time when we go to the track we have to put it on a trailer. But I'll probably have like GoPro set up in the car, so I'll see you guys there. Everyone needs to tell Zach to go get some new, oh my god, hatch struts.
You gonna pay for it for me?
No, but everyone else can. It started GoFundMe for your hatch struts. The E5 here is insane. $3.80 a gallon compared to what do we pay? $2.30 a gallon usually?
$2.30, $2.40, yeah. It's a lot.
That's super crazy. It's like way more rare out here than in California.
Hey, but you get to steer your car for this, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's true. I would pay the extra dollar for sure.
Gas to steer your car out in Washington, and cheaper back at home and can't street it.
The food's really good.
These are the problems you have when you drive a race car on the street. Things happen that you don't expect. We were driving down the freeway and we heard some weird like bolt noise that obviously like flew under the car. So now Zach, Joe, and Christian are checking it out.
What's up guys, Joey Ray Chavez here. Back at it again in Noah's vlog.
You guys should tell Joe to start making vlogs.
I'm not cool enough.
He did a full LS swap in his 240 in like a couple weeks and didn't film any of it.
It's a secret.
The secret brand? The secret brand?
Keep it secret.
Sponsored by Vans?
I am actually. Yeah. Full price.
0% off?
What?
0% off?
0% off. That's like the best deal ever, dude.
Alright, so what was it, Zach?
I'm gonna go with rocks.
Rocks.
I'm gonna go with that. Makes me feel better inside.
And we're moving forward with rocks.
Axel, rest in peace.
Alright, so we were driving down the road and then all of a sudden just started making a whole bunch of noise, Zach.
That's scary as shit.
Yeah, so yeah, I guess like when we kept hearing those like bolts falling here and there, it was the axle bolts were like completely shearing off, and then we finally got to the last one and the whole axle was just banging around like on the ground and around the diff and everything. So now we're on the side of the highway. Zach's trying to find out where he can get an axle, whether we have to go to AutoZone or if someone at the track has one. We're literally only 10 minutes away after like a 25-minute drive. So we're really close to the track, but hopefully we can figure it out and Zach can still drive today. But we need to get the car fixed, so. Brian saw us on the side of the road, DM'd Zach, and because he saw that we obviously needed help, and he brought us a jack. And then we have Joe, Christian, and can't remember who else went with them, but they're going to go pick up axle bolts for us, and we're gonna try and reuse this axle, and just to like get to the event, and then potentially put a new axle on. But we honestly don't really know how messed up it is from it banging on the ground. I mean, might as well make the car look good while it's sitting here on the side of the road, right? For the people driving by.
you say?
It's fucking hot, man. I'm fucked up doing like
It's not me, bitch.
I'm really fucking filming for your vlog. You make it funny.
It's literally not me touching it. I'm standing on the outside.
Okay, but you're filming it.
I'm filming
exactly.
it.
There's a fucking fat spider right there, too.
Alright, so as you guys saw in the last clip, Zach isn't able to drive because he wasn't here for the drivers meeting. So now we're just gonna hang out. Our friend Dylan's spotting for one of his friends that's I think 4th in the series. Honestly don't know if he got knocked out or yet or if he's like still going through the bracket. Alright. So that'd be sick if he made it all the way and like got into the top 3 so he can hopefully get his pro license by the end of the year. But we're just gonna hang out, look at the cars, watch some drifting, and it should be pretty fun.
Jason 14. Let's see what happens. Go Earnhardt, nice high line. Stick with them, take it on Look at this. Voices I've seen to try and jinx him at the last. Taking that low line. Let's go. He can compensate. Let's see if he can keep it up here on the rest of the run. Walk doing a good job mid high line on the break. Keeping it nice and tight on that line. Davis having a little bit of issues sticking with it.
This 240 is so nice. NK RPF 1s. Shout out to NK. Carbureted V8? Or no? Those are fuel injectors. That's just a weird intake manifold. What kind of suspension does it have on it? Can't see.
Only one crack in the dash.
It's Voodoo suspension, not Wisefab. It's kind of rare. That's a really clean S13 dash. Whoa, Motec, please give it to me. I want Motec so bad. Probably has a GSR gearbox, I believe. That's just what it looks like it would have. Rocket Bunny kit.
Nice trunk setup.
I'm not running back there.
Winner's quick change. A lot of nice stuff on it. Alright, so Chase got out in top 8, I believe. So I think he got like 4th, or no, he got like 5th or 6th, or 5th and 6th at this event. He might be in 3rd or 4th after this. But we're gonna go get some Mexican food and hang out. Zach's car's fixed now. He went and put the axle in and everything. Someone brought you an axle, and axle bolts, and a jack.
And tools.
And tools.
And water.
And lots of love.